Hey Rock fam, we were walking down the beach, found a cool rock, picked it up, looked at it, and we're like, man, I would go ahead and bring it home, but it's a piece of granite. It just ain't gonna tumble good. Rob from Michigan Rock said so.
If you know me very well at all, if you watch my videos and I'm on the beach, you know that I don't like granite.
Well, you're not alone because you know what? 99% of tumblers do say that granite is kind of a junk rock.
Things like granite are also not a good idea to tumble.
And for good reason. You know what I mean? It's made of 3 different materials. It has quartz, which is, pretty hard. It's around a 7 or so. It has feldspar, which is also kind of hard. It's in the 6-ish range. And then it has mica, which is way down in like the 2s and 3s. But there's also granite with hematite. There's a lot of different kinds of granitoids out there that are like just basically part of like, 2 of those 3 or maybe 2 of those 3 plus another mineral. Not all granite doesn't polish, and not all granite undercuts either. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly the process that I use to go ahead and take boring granite like this and turn them into awesome, beautiful, shiny granite like this, which is my favorite keychain, by the way. But yeah, we can do it. Let's go. And if you like rock tumbling experiments, or just like seeing boring rocks like this getting turned into shiny rocks like this, make sure you hit the subscribe, the little bell button. We do stuff like this every week. All right, so granite obviously, gets hated for a reason. A lot of people don't like tumbling it. We got a bunch of granite here that we're going to go ahead and tumble, though. It's, like I said, it's made of 3 different minerals. There's quartz, there's feldspar, and you see a lot of this is very feldspar rich. Got some quartz in there, which is kind of like what you're looking for in granite. You don't want to see a bunch of little black cracks and stuff, okay? That's why a lot of people end up with, those pitted, cloudy rocks, and they just swear off granite forever. Like, granite's no good because of all that pitted, cloudy junk, right? I've tumbled some granite quite a few times now, and I'm actually getting really good results almost every single time. The colors pops, the micas sparkle like glitter. They polish like a smooth, glassy rock, just like they should, or just like you would want them to at least, okay? So I'm going to give you my exact method on how I go ahead and polish granite so you can go ahead and do the same. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get some awesome results together. So when you're picking out granite that you're going to tumble, you want to make sure that you don't have no cracks or pits or bad stuff, okay? Like, a lot of these are fairly smooth. You can see that little bit of chatoyance, a little bit of flash from the mica there. This one's a little bit iffy. This one's iffy. That one might just turn into tumbler food. I don't know why that's in here. We're going to find out, though. But see, a lot of these, they don't have no cracks. They don't have no pits. A little bit of pits. That looks like it might underwear a little bit. We'll find out, right? Might undercut a tiny bit. But for the most part, none of these have cracks and pits. They're really, a lot of them are feldspar rich. Not only because I like feldspar, but also feldspar tumbles really nice. It's actually just a little bit softer than quartz. So a lot of this feldspar stuff you see right here, all this nice flash, which is basically, feldspar is moonstone. So, or a type of moonstone. This is orthoclase. But anyways, this all shines up really, really good. The mica, not so much, okay? Some of these little black spots here may turn really nice. Because granite can also have hematite and other stuff in it, and hematite polishes up nice. Okay, mica's the soft thing. You're looking to not have swirls of black that are going to undercut. I think all these rocks, for the most part, are all going to do great. Some people might go ahead and be like, that's not granite. Well, they're kind of all granitoids. They're the kind of rock that you pick up and your friend that's with you rock hunting is like, that's never going to work good. It's not going to polish. It's granite. But yeah, it will. Watch and see. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of the whole tumbling tutorial into this just because I am making a tumbling tutorial that should be out next Tuesday. But in short, we basically did this just like we do any of our other rocks. We do our stage 1, 3/4 of the way filled with water, 2 tablespoons of grit. We go ahead and tumble them until there's no big cracks or anything else. You don't want to get your fingernails stuck in anything. After we have all our rocks that are out of stage 1 that all look good, we put them in the vibratory tumbler From there, they go and get a stage 2 for 2 days, stage 3 for 3 days, and then stage 4 for 2 more days. And you'll get a lot more on that on the tutorial video. So I'm going to kind of skip to the results because, well, it feels redundant doing a whole tumbling tutorial twice. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out how this granite looks. All right, Rock Fam, let's go ahead and look at our granite here. It's been through the tumbler for a week. It took probably about a month altogether. But let's go look through this and see if you think that granite is worth tumbling. It turns out really nice. Like, this piece is pretty cool. More of a granitoid, okay? There's some granite, like, that didn't take the greatest, like, say, this guy here. And that's because if you look, he's actually made up of a bunch of, like, little mica or hematite chunks. Some of them are actually kind of flashy. But, those, generally don't tumble quite as good, and I think maybe that's why granite gets a bad name. But if you look at some of these, they turned out really, really magnificent. Like, that's a really, really pretty piece of granite. Like, there's another example. I was a little bit of black stuff that didn't polish the greatest. So, maybe that's another one that gets, like, a bad name, but then you look at stuff like this, and look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. I like the little chunks in it. I'm not sure exactly what's up with that, but I like chunks in it. Another little bit of, some black spots that don't polish, and that's, I think, what people are talking about. But, in all reality, if you're not looking for something perfect and you're looking for a nice rock that you like to be shiny, then I say go for it. I say go for it. Let's grab a couple guys here. Like that one. That one's really nice. Ooh, actually, we're going to take a closer look at that one. These ones are pretty cool. Look at that one. I like that chunk in the front there. Got some chunk in the front. Pretty cool. I like this one. This one's nice. Got some nice granitoids in here. I like the greens. I like the greens. All right, another one green. Another nice granity chunk. That one turned out nice. It's got a couple little dull black spots, and it's not just because it's just because of the mineral that doesn't really want to shine so much. The hematite or whatever is in it. Ooh, like this one. That one's interesting. That's a pretty one. We'll get that one after, I guess. That one's cool too. I like that one. That one's actually really nice, even though it's got some black chunks. That one actually turned out cool. I like the little metal flash to it. Pretty cool. And nicey. Look at this one. That one's pretty. A bunch of littler ones. That one's pretty nice. That one's pretty nice. I like the reds in that. Some pretty cool reds in there. Took a really nice shine. There's another one that's kind of got the green pink kind of thing going on. Kind of unikite-y, but not really unikite-y enough to where I'd be like, hey, that's a nice unikite. More like, hey, that's a nice granitoid. Same with this. Technically, I guess unikite also. That one turned out a little bit dull. That one turned out really pretty. And so did this guy back here. Those ones turned out nice. Wow, look at that one. I like that one. So even though this one has a little bit of the black going on, it still shined really, really well. Must be a lot of silica or quartz in that. I like that one. I like that one a lot. Those are pretty nice. I like that one too. Ooh. That one's got some undercutty stuff on it for sure. But for the most part, I picked out pretty good granite, I think. Because, I mean, it's really what it comes down to is just if it's undercutting in stage 1, it's going to undercut in stage 2, 3, 4. But this one seemed to be fine before. It does have a little undercutting. Still looks decent. More Christmas rocks. Unikitty Christmas one there. That one's pretty cool. We got this little piece of quartz sneak in here. Apparently, it didn't want to be left out. Pretty cool one too. I like the chunks. I like the chunks. Ooh, see, that one had some undercutting. Oh no, it didn't. Wow, never mind. It looks like it did. That is just smooth. That's really cool. That is pretty cool. I like that one. More kind of unikitty, feldspar-y. Looks like it was almost painted on there. It's pretty cool how that splotch is. That's kind of nice too. All of them are kind of nice. Pick that guy up. Those are all right. Seems like the white ones, the bigger the black chunks are, maybe the harder it is to get a polish on them. Oh, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's worth tumbling granite? Make sure you go ahead and comment below what you think. Would you tumble some granite? I mean, in my opinion, I'm going to be tumbling more probably because certain stuff that's granitoidish like that, it just looks really cool. I mean, they're cool looking rocks. They polish really nice. I can't see a reason not to polish more granite. Unless it's just, really crappy. Got chunks in it. See, even that, like, that looks like it's, like, the undercut, it's smooth. That's just the granite stuff on top, or the quartzy stuff over top of it. I like that one. That was pretty cool. Oh, which one was your favorite out of all these? If you could pick a favorite, which one would it be? I know it's gonna be kind of hard to tell. You're gonna have to drop some timestamps or something. But yeah, they're all kind of nice. They're all kind of nice. All in all, what do you think? You think robbing them are silly for not picking up certain granites and doing stuff? And by that I mean anybody that says that granite doesn't tumble and they wouldn't pick it up. Glassiness. That's some orthoclase, feldspar type stuff going on. But yeah, Rock fan, what do you think? What's your opinion on granite? After seeing this, would you tumble granite? Do you think it's worth bothering with or picking up? Or should you just walk on by it and not even give it a second look? Go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, all that other fun stuff. Until next time, Rock fam, deuces.